Man, the groceries here in the garden are looking tremendous. We're going to do a little harvesting of some mustards and some collards. So these are my Florida mustards, and they are more than twice the size of my hand. This will actually be the first harvest of these. The previous time when I got ready to harvest, the leaves had been all eaten up and destroyed by insects, pests, whatever, slugs. So now I can actually harvest them. I have my little pruner, and I'm going to start at the bottom. Now, look at this leaf compared to my hand. Yeah, I know my hand isn't very big, but as I said, it's twice the size of my hand. And all I'm doing is cutting out around the plant itself. I'm not trying to cut the middle out, and I'm doing the cut and come again method so that I can continuously harvest from these plants. Okay, in this bed also we have some collards, so I'm going to get some of them from here. Okay, at this brassica bed we have two different types of collards, the Georgia and the Vates, and these were harvested around Thanksgiving, and you can see they have really grown back, so it's time to harvest them again. Very nice. So here is our final harvest. On the left, we have Florida mustards. In the middle, we have a purple top turnip. And on the right, we have collards. Overall, a very majestic and beautiful harvest of greens. So also in my first brassica bed, we have a lot of stuff that is growing and coming to the point of almost harvesting. Here we're looking at one of my broccoli plants, and while it's not very big right now, it is growing, and pretty soon it'll be ready for harvest. Here I believe this is one of my cauliflower plants, and the leaves down here are starting to curve, which is good. And over here we have our Brussels sprout plant. It's growing, and I don't see any little Brussels sprouts yet, but it's nice and green, and hopefully, keeping our fingers crossed, we will have some. Here we have a broccoli plant that looks like it's starting to open, which means I'll be coming out soon to harvest it. And we also have some side shoots coming along here. I believe this is another broccoli plant too, and it is the biggest of the bunch in this particular bed. In this bed we have lettuce, turnips, and radishes, and the turnips are what we're currently looking at. The tops of these have really started to take off, and probably in a couple weeks or so we'll be harvesting turnips. Keeping my fingers crossed on that. The lettuce is looking good, although we have one here that looks like it's trying to bolt. The other lettuces look real good. Start eating off of those soon. Good groceries. Here in Pepper Row, we have one broccoli plant. This is a purple broccoli, and pretty soon this will be getting harvested as well. It's looking very beautiful. So I want to thank you for coming along with me today while we did some harvesting of some of my favorite brassicas. We have mustards, turnips, and collards. And the collards were just harvested about 3 weeks ago. And the mustards were cut down or trimmed about 3 weeks ago, and this is what we got back. So I'm excited about it. I'm happy about it, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did and it brought a smile to your face, give me a thumbs up. Think about subscribing to my channel. This is the type of produce that I grow for myself and my family, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also. Think about also becoming a member of my channel. 3 to 5 times a month, I upload member-only content for, I upload member-only contents, conversations, and perhaps have seed giveaways, depending on the participation level. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.